Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, this is Engineer Mubashir Sheriar, and we are introducing a course for your water supply design. This course is basically for those who want to learn about the water supply design using a practical approach. So you can join this course and learn about the water supply design. So I'm giving you a demo that what will we study about the water supply design in this course. This is the content of the water supply design course, having a 12 lectures. First two lecture will include the basic theory of water supply designs, consisting of the component of water supply system, a typical village town water supply system, water treatment, storage facility, and other stuff like the type of material, type of walls, type of pipe fittings. Similarly, we will have also a discussion about the water supply design specification in the context of Pakistan, that what is the design criteria for water supply design in Pakistan, because the design criteria ranges from changes from country to country. So we will have also brief introduction to the brief study to the water supply design criteria, like what will be the water demand in the domestic context, industrial variation, what will be the variations in water demand, what will be the water resources purposes principles. Similarly, the tube wells design criteria, water supplies, distribution and storage, and other stuff. uh, uh, Similarly, we will have also a introduction to the WaterGem, that we will have a case study of Mansera, Ghazi Court, and we will have an introduction to the WaterGem, like how to lay out the pipe network in a water supply design, and what will be, and we're having a brief explanation of each and every part, that what will be the properties and how to manage these properties of pipes, nodes, how to apply demand, fire flow demand, and elevation to the demand. And we will have a study to how to assign demand manually and automatically in GIS. We will also go through the different stuff. In this course, we will have also a brief introduction to the different stuff, like alternatives, so where we can define active topology, like if you want to design to check a model based on a pump, based on a water tank, by increasing a number of water tanks, or by increasing a number of pumps. So based on active topology, you can change, increase and decrease the number of pumps and water tanks, and check the behavior of these different topologies. Similarly, we can also the design different demands on a different nodes, and check its behavior on different conditions, like water fire flow occurs and different condition like that. We can have also the different settings we can make in this software. So we will have also a brief discussion on different scenarios that may include in a model, and we can run that in as a batch, and we can have a comparison in between that, to compare that how the model behaves if we changes a model, like including a number of tanks, like of two in numbers, three in numbers. And yeah, also want to check the behavior of a model based on including a different type of pumps, of number of pumps, and check a bit behavior in between that, to optimize a model of a water supply system. We have also have an extended period simulation to check the behavior of a model on a different range of time. So we will have also study on in this course. We will be having also study about the creating a model by layout, designing a model assigning a demand to each node directly, easily in a WaterGem. How to assign that in a WaterGem? How to define a patterns for each node or for a whole system in WaterGem. We will have a brief discussion in that. How to manage pipe in WaterGem, and similarly how to manage junctions, pumps, and other stuff. We will study in that in this course. And also how to define controls for a pump, for a pipe, for a node, and other stuff. So how to define and assign these controls to each stuff, to each element in a WaterGem. We will have a brief discussion in this course as well on this controls. Also, our model builder, we will study about the model builder, to how to import a model from a CAD drawing, how to import a model from a GIS. We will study in a brief how to model water supply system in a GIS and automatically assign a demands to a nodes to each junctions, and also to assign a elevation or to each node automatically in a water supply system in a GIS. And we will go through all of this stuff in this course, to give you a brief introduction to discussion with you about the water supply system. Similarly, we will have a brief introduction to the ArcGIS Pro, how to model water supply system in a GIS, designing defining a node, defining a Thiessen polygon for assigning demands to each node. Similarly, how to define an area for a water supply system, how to define pipes in the GIS, how to define junctions, and how to assign that elevation to that nodes, to calculating the pipelines, and much more than that. Also, we will have a brief introduction to the watershed modeling system. This are basically will be using for downloading a DM file, which we can easily download it in the watershed modeling system, defining project boundaries. Here I have an internet cell, so I can have access to the map. Therefore, we will have a brief introduction to that as well. How to download it from web services, and how to use that in GIS to assign elevation to each node in a water supply system. And after that, we will have also a brief discussion for creating a report for a water supply system in WaterGem. This report has been created in a WaterGem. So we will have also a brief discussion in WaterGem in this course. So we will have also a discussion about the reporting, how to do reporting in WaterGem, and WaterGem and Word as well. So we will discuss that as well in a brief having a brief discussion in this course. So I recommend you to join us in this course. So we will have a brief discussion about the WaterGem, GIS, and other stuff. This course is for you, and I recommend that you join us in this course and learn about the water supply system design. Thank you very much.